My name is Prof. Barasa and welcome to our today's training lecture, Day 14, Week 3. My dear priest and sister students of the Catholic University of Eastern Africa. Our lecture today covers the topic AI governance and regulations. Objective. This session will provide an in-depth understanding of AI governance, regulations, and ethical considerations in deploying AI systems. You will learn about frameworks, global policies, compliance strategies, and best practices in AI governance. AI governance refers to the frameworks, policies, and ethical guidelines that regulate the development and deployment of AI systems. It ensures that AI systems are transparent, accountable, and fair. AI governance is crucial for several reasons. It prevents bias and discrimination, ensures privacy and data protection, establishes accountability in AI decision-making, and enhances trust in AI systems. Have you encountered or heard of an AI system that had unintended negative consequences? What happened? Let's dive into our first case study. Take, for example, Amazon's AI hiring tool that ended up discriminating against women due to biased training data. The lesson learned here is the critical need for fairness and bias audits in AI models. Now let's take a look at global AI regulations and policies. In the European Union, the EU AI Act focuses on risk-based classification and compliance obligations. Over in the United States, the blueprint for an AI Bill of Rights emphasizes data privacy and addressing algorithmic discrimination. China has its AI ethics guidelines, which stress government oversight and user protection. The UK has laid out AI regulation principles that prioritize transparency, accountability, and innovation. And in Africa, the AU AI framework aims to leverage AI for development while adhering to local ethics standards. Alright, it's time for an interactive poll. Which AI governance framework do you think is most effective? And just out of curiosity, why do you think so? Case Study 2. Example: GDPR's impact on AI data privacy regulations in Europe. The lesson learned here is that AI systems must be designed for privacy compliance. Ethical AI and responsible AI development. The 5 pillars of AI governance are fairness, which involves preventing bias and ensuring inclusivity; transparency, which is about the explainability of AI decisions; accountability, which entails defining responsibility for AI actions; privacy and security, which focuses on protecting user data; and lastly, human agency and oversight, meaning humans must remain in control. Group activity: split participants into teams. Each team will analyze an AI use case, for instance, facial recognition or autonomous vehicles, identify governance challenges, and propose solutions. Let's consider an example case. Imagine we have a use case of AI-driven predictive policing. The challenge here is algorithmic bias in law enforcement. To address this, we can implement transparent model auditing and use diverse training datasets. Now let's talk about compliance strategies for AI regulations. How can we ensure AI compliance? Well, there are several key steps. First, conduct bias audits before deployment. Next, implement AI explainability tools. It's also crucial to establish AI ethics review boards. Finally, use privacy-preserving techniques such as federated learning. Here's a scenario challenge for you. Imagine you are an AI developer building a healthcare diagnosis AI. How would you ensure it meets regulatory compliance and is ethically sound? Let's delve into the solution framework. First, we must ensure data privacy by adhering to HIPAA compliance. Next, it's crucial to train AI on diverse patient datasets to enhance its accuracy and fairness. Lastly, making AI predictions explainable to doctors will foster trust and better integration into clinical workflows. Now let's explore the upcoming regulatory trends. One major area is AI liability laws, which will address who is responsible for AI decisions. There are also discussions about banning AI for harmful uses, such as facial recognition in public spaces. Finally, global AI regulatory cooperation aims to standardize rules across different countries, ensuring a more unified approach. And now, we arrive at the final debate. The question is, should AI be regulated like pharmaceuticals with strict testing before release, or should innovation be prioritized over regulation? This is a critical discussion that will shape the future of AI in healthcare and beyond. Alright, let's dive into our hands-on workshop, creating an AI governance plan. For this activity, you'll be designing an AI governance plan for a real-world AI application. Here are the steps for the workshop. First, choose an AI use case. This could be something like AI chatbots, self-driving cars, or AI in finance. Next, identify the potential risks and governance challenges associated with your chosen use case. After that, develop a regulatory compliance strategy to address these challenges. Finally, present your findings to the group. By the end of this workshop, participants will have developed critical thinking on AI governance challenges. Moreover, they will have created practical governance strategies for AI deployment. Alright, let's wrap things up. AI governance is crucial for responsible AI deployment. Compliance with global AI regulations ensures trust and transparency. Ethics must be integrated into AI design from the start, and the future of AI governance will shape how AI is adopted worldwide. Now, let's talk about the next steps and some resources you might find useful. For recommended reading, you can check out the EU AI Act official documentation, AI Ethics by Harvard University, and the OECD AI Principles. Up next, we have a video demo for you. It's a walkthrough on AI governance audits and bias detection. And finally, we have the Quanda session. This is an open discussion on AI governance challenges. Feel free to ask your questions.